Fly.
Hello.
Calling players for court number 1. Court number 1, Patrick Tanguamos and JR versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Court number 1, Patrick Tanguamos and JR versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Please proceed to court number 1.
Standby players for court number 6. Standby players for court number 6. Karim Monteiro and Joanna Marie Medel versus Sharon Reynaldo and Leia Caballero. Standby players for court number 5. Jude Arias and Peps versus Alan Reyes and Ariel Cosente.
Wow, ganda.
Erico, Lester, Patricio, and Chris Cabirana, judges for court 1. Thank you. Line judges for court number 9. Ruel Maligani and Ron Maranan. We'd like to remind players who won their games to be the line judges in the upcoming match. Thank you.
Court number 1, please start the game. Thank you. Calling players for court number 8. Court number 8, Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Hipolito versus Edison Soto and Valfred Arelosa. Court number 8, Chris Crisostomo and Nico Ray Hipolito versus Edison Soto and Valfred Arelosa. Proceed to court number 8.
Karim Voltaire and Joanna Marie Medel versus Sharon Reginaldo and Leia Caballero. Standby players for court 7. Bench Hugo Sanchez and Nita De Quito versus Fred CJ Escalona and Christy Bulatao. Standby players for court number 7. Standby players for court number 4. Francis Acalon and Menando Daet versus Emmanuel Saludo and RJ Magaling. Standby players for court number 3. Ian Del Barrio and Keith Paulo Landicho versus Jomar Cabayao and Romeo Fernandez Jr. Standby players for court number 2. Dennis Cayabyab and Jomari Rosales versus Jonathan